Yo, hey guys.
Hope you're doing great.
Yeah.
Hope you're doing fine.
Right.
Hope you're doing well.
It's a beautiful day and a wonderful day.
Let's go. Guys, today we're back with 7 in 1. Jeff Satur Marathon. Guess what?
Back.
The last two videos we watched, a lot of y'all wanted us to watch more Jeff Satur. Since the first video we watched Jeff Satur, but it was just a performance, he told us we should watch his other songs. So that's what leads to this video here today. So some info is Jeff Satur was born in 1995 and is a multi-talented Thai singer, songwriter, actor, model, producer, and graphic designer who produces and writes his own songs and can even play instruments like guitar, piano. And previously he was under the management of Be On Cloud, but he departed from the company in February 2023 to join his own agency, Studio on Saturn.
Okay.
Official fandom name is Saturdays, and the set list starting with Fade that came out in the year 2022.
ต้องนานเท่าไรที่เรื่องราวนี้มันจึงจะผ่านพ้นไปกลิ่นกาแฟในตอนสายภาพสุดท้ายที่จะเดินจากไปเคยบอกเธอไว้ว่ายังไงว่าถ้าเธอต้องไปก็ไม่เป็นไรแต่พอเอาเขาจริงเป็นฉันที่ไม่ไปไหนภาวนา
Jeff. Now you know my name. So now we're not strangers no more.
That's a beautiful song.
Dang.
Do you like time travel or something?
It's like it's ending with the beginning.
How they met.
Meeting.
That's how they met. That's why they're not strangers no more.
That's a nice song.
It's
And
deep.
The video.
The meaning as well.
It's top quality, first of all.
Like a
you see.
movie, the moment it starts,
Mm.
I said,
Later, they even put riots. There was a riot happening.
The
with
girl
a
that
lady
started
died.
and like,
Mm.
do you just go back in time or?
I don't think so, but as you say, maybe that was the beginning.
Maybe he was reminiscing about how they met.
Yeah, or maybe the director just decided to show us this is how they met.
Ah, okay.
Cause
By the time he was holding his hand, it's
Mm.
like there was a flashback of him holding his hand, her hand again.
or maybe time travel. We don't know. We don't know the real story. We've just watched the video one time. You tell us, the fans of Jeff Satur. But he has a very beautiful voice. Very, very nice voice. He's calm and collected. Very nice one. My favorite line is how much more tears do we need to shed to wash away the pain or what?
how much time do I need to what?
How many tears? How much tears?
For me, it was how much time
Mm.
do I need to stop feeling sad?
It's the question. He's asking a lot of questions. Damn, Jeff Satur. We're just beginning and we're already like into it. This is video number 1. How will video number 4 be? 5, 6? Anyway, that was fire. We really enjoyed it. Fade. Yeah. Fade was fire. We loved it. And that came on the year 2022. Now we're going to Dum Dum or Dum Dum. I don't know how you say that. That came out on 2023. Very talented.
Quality of the video.
Did he take classes or he's just born like that?
Classes for
Vocal techniques. I like this already. Sunshine. This guy is a breeze guy. My name is Jeff Satur.
จะเป็นไงฉันรู้อยู่ทำอะไรก็รู้อยู่มีความสุขที่ได้ดูความเจ็บปวดที่เธอทำฉัน I've been trying to call you เพื่อจะบอกว่าฉันจะจำวันที่เธอทำร้ายกันวนและเวียนอย่างนั้นเคยทรมานแต่ฉันเริ่มเดินทางเคยภาวนาแต่ฉันเริ่มระอายิ่งเธอทำร้ายยิ่งดูน่าเวทนาช่วยทำให้เจ็บกว่านี้เพราะฉันยังมีเวลา Dum 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 dum.
That's what I'm talking about.
It's alter ego.
That's 2 of them, man.
Some other song. I don't know where, but like.
These videos are movies, bro.
บอกตัวเองเพื่อไงเคยทรมานแต่ฉันเริ่มเดินช้าเคยภาวนาแต่ฉันเริ่มละอายยิ่งเธอ
Chinese, Thailand. Oh my god, he's killing them. Oh. This is so melodic, man. I don't know why it sounds like Chinese.
Yeah.
Oh. Come on.
What shows?
Hey, that is the other just the two. Yo! Warner Music, Thailand. Ah. Do you hear that quality of the voice?
Yeah.
This is not made in a laptop. This is made, you know those studios you see,
Yeah,
the
there's a
music videos of
stabilizer,
Dr.
there's
Dre,
a-
yeah, the stabilizer, those big studios.
Yeah.
Huh? You could hear everything, bro. The music is so smooth. I'll talk about him, bro. Talk about him and his visuals in the video.
I'm really curious to see him acting, like in a movie or something, cause.
We saw clips though in
His
TikTok.
music videos, bro.
It's like a movie, bro.
It's very, very nice. And is that hair color he had? It was blue. Is it like blue or what color is that? Light blue. So fire, man. Like, so far, this is my favorite one. I don't know why. It's just melodic. I love
And the way
melodic songs.
the lyrics, if he's writing, like he's writes he's a songwriter, right?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, like even the previous song, like there's something the way the lyrics are, or if it's him or whoever of them, like they get you into the
Video.
song, yeah.
And the music video too is captivating. You get captivated.
I think it's just smooth with it, even in the way he's saying the words. Like, it's a whole different language, but we're loving it.
Yeah.
You know, we don't understand Thai language. We even at some point thought it sounded a bit like Chinese. Like, I don't even know how he's writing that. You know, when the first time you're listening to a song that's not English, you'll feel like it will sound a bit odd. But with this one, it's not an English song, but it doesn't sound odd. I'm like,
It sounds.
what is this? Is it because
sounds
we're
foreign.
used to K-pop?
It sounds foreign. Let's just say it sounds
Exotic.
Foreign.
Yeah,
Like-
foreign is like exotic too.
Yeah.
Like, is it because we're used to K-pop now or what? You remember the first time when you're not used to K-pop, when you hear it, you're like, what is this? And then you're liking it. But now, I'm like, I'm just not noticing the difference, like it's something new in my
The
ears.
way you sing.
He's smooth with
really
it.
great.
That's the word I'm looking for. I think he's very smooth with the way he's
Dum Dum
saying.
part.
Yeah, the Dum Dum is
Come
the
up
one, is the
with a chorus like that.
killing voice, killing part of the song. Killing
You're in
part.
the studio and you're recording that part like, this chorus to be like this. And that's
It's just melodic, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For him, he produces his own song, so it's easier.
Yeah, it's just sitting there like.
Yeah. If you have the melody of the beat, it's
Mm.
easy to make that kind of chorus.
And another thing, bro, we're watching 7 songs of him, but at the same time, he's a very big actor. I'm like, where does he get the time to make songs, to do both? Because he's a big artist. This music video, like, probably costs not low budget, but a certain budget of a country's movie. Like, for example, a movie from our country. The budget of this music video, you can make a big movie in our country. And I'm not even playing, like, honestly, you're paying the actors, you're paying the director with the budget that he's making there. So he's in a big label there before he became in his label, right? Because I saw that it's written Warner Music, Thailand.
It's like Warner Bros.
Like, it's very, he's a professional. Like, I feel maybe he's one of the biggest Thailand artists.
He is. It actually is.
Imagine how he's acting too. The film industry
It's
there
life.
is not playing, bro.
You
So,
shouldn't have excuses. You can do whatever it takes.
man, that was my favorite so far. So now we're going to Black Tie. The same year he came with Black Tie. So when did he start singing actually? Did he start acting and then singing? Or did he start singing then acting? Maybe he was a singer but never released songs. You know that? You know those people like that? Like he sings since high school. But he didn't decide to go that path. Maybe he started acting, so you should let us know. Black Tie, the year 2023, the same year. These songs are just like, have some type of vibe, you know?
In the middle of the night, I feel I lost my mind. Used to feel the kind
You saw that? You heard that?
and away.
He's not doing it again.
Saving your soul, losing the crown of my soul. Keeping it low, bouncing on my soul.
Glorious.
I was invited into the party.
Who are you?
Nah.
I know you're Jeff Satur, but who are you?
Now we need to start again.
It's like an Imagine Dragons song.
You know why I say start again, then I start. I remember we have 5 more songs to watch. Well, let me just start.
Just this one.
This guy is good with
Okay.
it, bro.
Are you human?
I was invited in the party of silence. Who thinks of that? Who even comes up with that, bro?
Good like this.
This guy is a genius.
In the middle of the night, I feel I lost
Look at that.
my mind.
Like a notification on your phone.
It's an English song.
Saving your soul, losing the crown of my soul. Keeping it low, bouncing on my little pole. I was invited into the party in silence. People that like it, be quiet. I'm in my block tight. Are you satisfied? Sipping your red
Look at the
wine,
dancers.
just like your black lights.
Oh my god.
Now I
Look at that fashion sense. Oh my god.
tears and my despair.
Uh,
And I'll be at the funeral of all the things I had.
voice.
Say some more, say although you don't know.
Whoa!
I'm getting
How are they doing that?
I'm finding my back to my home. I was invited into the party in silence. People that like
Hey.
it, be quiet. I'm in the black tie. Are you satisfied? Sipping your red wine, just like your black lights. I'm in the black tie. The world is colorblind. Into the black light. I'm on the other side. I'm in my black tie. Are you satisfied? Sipping the red wine, just like your black lights. I'm in my black tie. The world is colorblind. Into the black light. I'm on the other side.
Black tie. Valentino.
Full English song. I was
He
wondering.
dressed in Valentino.
I was wondering and waiting if I ever hear a full English song from Jeff Satur.
And then here it is.
Never disappoints.
Black tie.
He got this like very unique voice.
And he has
with-
aura too.
unique of saying words. Imagine that's not his first language, but he nailed it.
He killed it.
Bruh.
He's in the songs that I'm into, bro.
The song.
These songs
Mm.
are those songs which I usually listen to when I'm alone.
Yeah.
Like David Krishna's and everything.
Mm.
The ones which I
It
usually
sounded
show
like
you.
Imagine Dragons too.
It's very, very creative, man. Like as we keep on listening, the songs keep being top notch. Is it because we're going from here or what? Black Tie was epic.
Yeah, it was.
Very epic. Like, it is a written masterpiece. Shout out to the one who wrote this song because it's deep, and also the one who made it to made it come to earth. The producer is crazy. Started with the bells, bro. Like the transition was the bell, ding, and we're going on.
It's like a notification on the
This is
phone.
his own song. They say.
He produced all his own songs, all of his own songs, so including this one. Okay. Then shout out to him. That's, people who produce their own song, they make the best songs ever. Because they have an idea of how I want this song to be.
They make they make their visions come to life.
Exactly. Oh, just do a research and you'll see. Like Love, he has this type of songs because he's the one who's always making the beats. He knows what to. And when you're a producer, you have that ear. Like, okay, this not auto tune, but this, like the way to put someone in this tune, like it's like those people who use one producer, they understand. Like that's why when you hear Chris Brown, you always know this is Chris Brown. Like there's a way you're mixing your own voice and mastering your own music. Like Jeff Satur, remember the name, bro.
Wow.
It's gonna be very big in all nations. Okay, he's already big, but it's just we were behind a little
Yes,
bit. I
we're
see a
getting-
lot of you are like, okay, finally you all are getting to thigh pop after years of asking. Well, it turns out like it was really worth it to get into some thigh pop, some T-pop. So now we're going to Ghosts. This is 2024. This is just last year. So, Ghost of Tsushima. I've been playing that game, bro. See, he's riding a horse, bro. That's the Rockets.
Yay! But he's got this melody, like it just.
There's a horse inside.
ข่าวของฉันในใจทุกความรู้สึกทุกคำทุกความทรงจำทุกสิ่งที่เธอเคยทำเธอคงไม่ต้องการมันเธอไม่ต้องบอกเพราะว่าเธอจะลาไม่ต้องมาบอกเพราะว่ามีน้ำตาฉันจะนับในใจไปซ่อนไว้ไกลและไม่ต้องกลับมาไม่ใช่เธอก็ไม่เป็นไรหรอกนะไม่ต้องทนอยู่เพื่อรอวันจากลาไม่ว่าเธออยู่ที่ใดจะไม่ตามหา Won't find you ไม่ใช่เธอก็ไม่เป็นไรหรอกนะขอให้เธอมีชีวิตที่ตามหาส่วนฉันจะส่งทุกความสุขที่ผ่านมาพอฉันลืมตาขอให้มีเธอในเท่าไรที่วิ่งตามเธอไปจะจบเมื่อไรเคยถามคำในใจที่สอนแล้วให้ฉันหาเธอกลับคืนมามันเป็นแค่ภาพลวงตาที่ติดในห่วงเวลาเธอจะไปตัวฉันก็เข้าใจจะอยู่ให้ไหวจะไม่ต้องสนใจไม่ว่าได้ยินอะไรให้เธอเดินไปไม่ว่าจะเดินเท่าไรนั่นไม่ใช่เสียงของน้ำตาเธอไม่ต้องบอกว่าเธอจะลาไม่ต้องมาบอกว่ามีน้ำตาฉันจะนับในใจไปซ่อนไว้ไกลและไม่ต้องกลับมาไม่ใช่เธอก็ไม่เป็นไรหรอกนะไม่ต้องทนอยู่เพื่อรอวันจากลาไม่ว่าเธออยู่ที่ใดจะไม่ตามหา
Took you.
Won't find you ไม่ใช่เธอก็ไม่เป็นไรหรอกนะขอให้เธอมีชีวิตที่ตามหา
Is that a doppelganger?
Yeah.
Wait. It looks like they saved him. The girl saved him or what?
Yeah, the girl said it.
Yes, she did.
Now, why is the guy not married? Is left the other guy who, the one with the suit? Let's say the suit guy,
That's the doppelganger, like the evil one.
the evil one. How comes they were feeling each other, even if it's evil? They're feeling with the lady, and the lady
At
knows
the
what.
wedding?
Yeah, the
It
wedding.
has a meaning.
There's a deep meaning there.
Yeah.
Because at the end of the time he left.
I think it has a meaning.
Ah, but
I
then
feel like she betrayed him. Like, I feel like she knew what was happening. Like, the other person maybe sent her to get close with that guy, and then they'll come and take him. But in the end, she felt guilt, and then she went to save him. So in the end, he didn't want to go on with that same situation. Like, it was painful, so he just left.
that's why even he's saying, even if it's not me,
Yeah.
I hope you find what you're looking for.
yeah, and it's fine. Even if it's not with me, like it's fine. Like I think it's those type of people who say,
As long as you're happy.
as long as you're happy,
You
even
never
if it's
be
not
happy.
deep down.
I don't want you to be happy.
But damn, like this song is so melodic.
Yeah. The melody.
At this point, his songs are bad.
He has never released the bad
And the
song.
videos,
Yeah, the video
they make you very
Captivated.
Yeah. Is it the
It's
director too
captivating.
or what?
Yo.
Oh, is it because he has a movie background actor?
Yes.
Or what?
I think.
Bro, this is double impact.
He's not
If
making
you
normal
want- If you won't
videos.
like the song, you
You
like,
like the video, the
Really,
story.
he's hitting both ways.
Like, I'm even like stressed now. It's crazy how it's like I'm either doing a movie or not a video at all. It's like, you know, like when you're trying to make a video, let's just do this, guys. But his video has a meaning. It's a whole movie, bro. It has aesthetics. Even if it doesn't have a meaning, it has some certain aesthetics. Like how some of the songs we've seen, they're like dancers. A lot of dancers behind doing some certain type of stuff. Like, he's on a different level. And I'm really trying to understand
I think he's at the pinnacle of Thailand music.
how can you be the biggest star in a movie and at the same time you're doing very well in music?
Yeah.
I'm trying to relate that in my country. I don't see it.
For me, I'm thinking if he's doing this music thing and he's also doing the movies, when
Biggest
does he
star.
do the concerts?
Concerts.
Like, music concerts.
You make time, bro. In
I
this
think-
life, there's no
Because
excuses.
for them,
Mm.
like, their movies takes like more than 6 months sometimes to shoot. It's not like us movies takes like 1 day. It's over.
One
Serious. In Bongo.
I
I've
think
seen people shooting a movie, bro. 1 day it's over.
a single movie.
Yeah.
Listen, like I think he gets the time when the movie is released because he does a 2-in-1. Now I think I'm understanding it because they used to say these artists in Thailand, you think they're holding concerts even if it's for a movie, but they're singing. They have fun meetings with their fans. They have biggest fans. It's like they're in a stadium.
So they combine.
They combine, I think. But maybe himself too, he takes breaks. Maybe this year I'm not filming anything. I'm doing concerts for my fans. I think as we keep on watching, we'll understand when we watch more performances. Because in that other performance, he was with his co-actor. It was like a stage mix, right? Then sometimes he was alone playing the piano. So I feel like we'll keep on discovering. But that song is very nice. Ghost. It's very, very
4
nice.
songs you have listened.
We still have 3 more.
They're
So
perfect.
apparently the next song is a continuation of Ghost.
Music video.
Yeah, it's called Yellow Leaf and it came the same year, 2024. Well, I'm ready because Ghost was very nice, was melodic, the meaning was amazing. Only true gentlemen can understand. But Concord's like good luck. They will never tell you even
I'm a
if,
gentleman too.
as long as you're happy, they will never tell you that. You'll be like, it's only you gotta be with me. That's all.
Yeah, geography.
He doesn't have. He's like the geography between me and you. It's only us. Oh, this is the guy with the horse, right? He left. He went to Yellow Leaf. Now he left
He
the
looks
other
like
girl.
those old movies, man.
Yeah, this is the other evil guy, right?
ดูใบไม้ที่ลงมาลำลายมากไปตามสายลมที่พัดผ่าน
She's hiding.
อยู่กับความรักที่พูดไปไม่พอสักทีบอกเธอให้ทุกวันและเวลาทุกเสี้ยวนาทีและทุกชั่วโมงที่ผ่านผ่าน
Handsome lad.
ไม่เป็นทั้งหมดข้างในหัวใจให้บอกเธอไปก็คงไม่หมดจะจดจำได้ทุกคำหรือเปล่าต้องใช้เวลาอีกตั้งมากมายที่เธอได้ยินเป็นเพียงส่วนน้อยในใจแต่ตลอดชีวิตก็คงไม่หมดจะอยู่และรอฟังมันไหมถ้าช่วยให้มันได้รู้รอกันได้ไหม จากการกำหนดของวันและเวลาไม่อาจจะบอกว่าต้องนานสักเท่าไหร่อาจจะเลยวิวาของเราไปอีกแสนไกลบางทีเส้นผมของเราอาจเปลี่ยนไปบางทีเลยไปวันที่ได้ทราช่วงนิรันดร์แต่ว่าความรักยังพูดไปไม่พอสักทีให้บอกเธอไปก็คงไม่หมดจะจดจำได้ทุกคำหรือเปล่าต้องใช้เวลาอีกตั้งมากมายที่เธอได้ยินเป็นเพียงส่วนน้อยในใจแต่ตลอดชีวิตก็คงไม่หมดจะอยู่และรอฟังมันไหมถ้าช่วยไม่เป็นไม่รู้รอกันได้ไหม
Hey?
Got off?
Yeah. Huh? How is he not old?
Maybe he doesn't age.
But love is a babe, even if they're old. The love is still the same, bro. Even if she gets old. Okay. Dang. So what is he? He's not human? Damn, she died.
Both of them died.
Both of them.
You didn't see it.
I saw the first cross.
The first cross was written Jeff Satur. Now I have
JS2, the one was made.
This is Jeff Satur. You see the one who was captured
Mm.
was there were pipes on his back, and he was shown here. He was still writing letters to her. I feel like he was made with the dog eyes. Like he's not human. The other one was human. They stayed. He stayed with that girl. They were arguing. That point they showed they were arguing and everything. They left. They lived their life. And then he started to die. He's the first one to die. She remained alive.
Alone.
So he came back to say goodbye.
Now, he was the one who's made, right?
Yeah.
He's not human. Damn.
Sad, isn't
Hmm?
it? Sad, isn't it?
Yeah. Sad. She was alone, and she died too. But the lyrics is deep. You know, like people forget, like when you love someone and you get married, it's not only about love. Cause it will reach a time love will
Fade.
You need to
Away.
see other characters and other things that will make your marriage strong. It's at that point where like Even if, because you know, like all this, it will be old. If you don't love that person, all this, the skin, everything, it will change. That's what I say, like, even if we get old, still alive, he said, what, abad? Unabated, like it's unfazed, like the love won't change, right? It's still the same. It's very deep and sad, but it's also teaching and deep. When you're trying to get married, you should think about that.
Marriage
Nope.
is not about love, bro. It's about perseverance.
Perseverance.
You
You
have
need
to
to
stay
persevere.
with that person forever.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, don't look only for love. Don't look only for love. There's a lot of things you need to look for. Hey, Jeff Satur, man. Yellow Leaf was nice.
Now this is what they call art. You know, those
Yeah.
people who go
Yeah.
to shows, the art shows, they look at the picture and say, this is art. Or these videos, and the way he writes his song.
Yeah.
You look at them, you know, and you understand now, this is art. Because it takes brain for someone to understand.
Yeah, you need to think.
You just don't watch and just be happy like
Mhm.
you watch it, you analyze it, you understand.
Like your brain scope has to be big.
Yeah.
To understand. Alright, let's go to the video number 6, Rain Wedding. So it's also released in 2024 and filmed Paradise of Thorns, OST in which he was also starring in. Oh, it's from a 2024 film
Yeah.
called The Paradise of Thorns. It's an OST in which he was also starring. So he's been in a lot of films. Okay, Rain
His
Wedding.
video quality is different, bro. Like,
It's movies, bro. Does he own these cameras or what? When they put that oh, that's the movie. It's two different people. Wait. Isn't that the same guy from the stage?
on the stage.
Him. Maybe I'm tripping.
It's the same person.
This is Jeff Satur.
Yeah.
They have the same piercing on the nose.
No.
Nah, that's not Jeff Satur. Wait,
That's all.
the same piercing doesn't mean anything. Come on.
Where's the angle?
Bro, that's just a different angle.
Really?
Yeah.
That's just a two.
Let's keep watching. So you think that was Jeff Satur?
Yeah.
Okay, you're right. Yeah, it's him. Huh?
The second verse, bro.
Tell us about it.
I forgot how it started. But he says like, I don't know how it starts, but he said,
Yeah, explain like it caught you.
like something like the past, in the past,
Yeah.
was in love.
Mm.
But you know, like you get troubles when you're in love,
Yeah.
and then you get fears. And then the line that follows, they say, those fears sentenced me to a jail of tears. That line was perfect. But when he came, when the other person came,
Yeah.
the love that they had
Mm.
made him persevere.
Amazing.
It's perfect.
Beautiful song.
I love the word, the composition, the composing of it. Like there was those Asian instruments. Like yeah, it's a little bit different from all the songs. So
Yeah.
that proves and shows like Jeff Satur can do anything. If you're a songwriter, just give him a song, you'll see. Like I think he is that person. Even if he's introduced, for example, to Afrobeats, do this, he will nail it. So it was a nice one. Even the video itself, I believe like most of the clips there are from the movie. So it seems like nice one. You know, it's in the what you call those places.
And they were
Countryside. Not beach, not in the beach, the countryside.
He said what, you know,
Yeah.
forget about the storms, let's dance in the rain.
Yeah. For sure. Yeah, you say the rain like it's blessed us. Yeah, the day it's like the day they got married or what?
Yeah.
Like the rain.
And
Rained.
It rained. He said
Yeah.
like, don't be afraid, stretch out your hand, the Lord is blessing us.
And it's true, bro. You know, like on stuffs like that, when it's it's something, it's an event you're doing, celebrating, and then it rains. It's true. It's God's like blessing. Happened a lot even in our country. Like I forgot what event it was. I think it was Christmas or what, and it rained heavily in Moshi. In you guys don't understand, but in some districts, in some districts there in our country, it rained. So people was like, God is happy. He's born. He is born, right? All right. So we're going to song number 7. It's Ride or Die, and this was released in 2025, just last week. It's on the 10th of January. So let's go. This year. Wait for.
Is that on Asylum?
Yeah, looks like it. I really like his hairstyle. When we see him acting, there he is.
All the lights flashing by, gonna race now. Guess I'm feeling alive, cause you're here now. We're a beautiful mess in a city, and you so damn pretty, yeah, you so damn pretty. If I'm closing my eyes out on the highway, take the wheel and I'll go anywhere. You know I go anywhere.
Drop the beat!
I feel on overdrive. I feel we're about to die.
ride or
But
die.
the
This is ride or die, bro. He's dying and she's riding.
Is that a jewelry?
Yeah.
She betrayed him.
I feel it.
You betrayed Jeff Satur.
Now he's
He's the one on
The one.
on watching
Ah.
CCTV footage.
It's everywhere, bro.
there was one of
everywhere.
There's
Boys everywhere.
It's-
Yeah, there's always two of them. I think
In
they
In
love
every
it.
music video that he does.
Ah,
Plot
So,
twist.
it's
Oh,
all
wow.
about him.
In real life,
I know that.
he has a
twin brother.
not twin brother, but he's two
Doppelganger.
doppelganger.
In real life.
Yeah, maybe. Why is he showing us every time?
I thought he was real, he meant it.
I'm saying maybe. Maybe.
Hey.
Who knows? There might be another Jeff Satur number 2. Or maybe he has a twin. You never know.
Mandem was lifting weights and you said?
Yeah?
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 What did you say?
February. Going in the gym.
Song, bro.
February.
Just a different day.
Well, that was a nice song. Nice banger
Yeah.
for opening 2025.
Yeah.
My boy is consistent, bro. You see, from
Of course.
2022,
Talk about consistency.
from 2022, he's been releasing bangers. When did he start singing?
Releasing what?
Bangers, bro. He's just releasing bangers.
Releasing bang.
Yeah.
Just releasing
So,
bangers.
from 2022, 2023, 2024 to 2025. So we're expecting more songs in this year.
This guy is the true definition of you can do anything you feel like in this world. No matter how
Put your
busy you
mind
are,
to-
bro.
yeah,
If you put
for
your
sure.
mind into it, you can do anything.
That means I can do the gym too.
Yeah, you've been saying the good luck, blah blah blah.
2025! It's time to hear the gym. So I hope you guys enjoyed Jeff Satur Marathon. It was the best, man. We really felt it. I feel it. I feel
Which was
it.
your
We
favorite
felt
song?
Ah,
it. Bro, when I started, I said,
Yeah.
I said
I'm
it's
gonna
what
say
Dum
it's
Dum.
Dum Dum for me. Nothing
I
has
think I
changed
said
my
it's
mind
Dum
so
Dum.
far.
But
No,
it
you
kept-
didn't say Dum Dum.
What was
You
it?
didn't say Dum Dum. There's a song that you say.
Right, let's play Dum Dum here. Let's play Dum Dum. Wait, let's
No,
play.
I've been paying attention.
Wait, wait.
This is my favorite song.
You said black tie.
Yes.
You are crazy.
No,
Black tie.
I say this song.
Black tie. Okay, let's play
I
Black
didn't say
tie.
this song.
Really?
No.
The one which has
Nah, I never said that.
This
was
is
my favorite.
this. There's a song he said it. There's a song, but not this.
I
song.
say Dum Dum was my favorite, bro. What are you guys drinking? Listen, we were in the first song and we went to the second song. I was like, before we go on, bro, so far this is my favorite song.
yeah.
This guy is drinking milk.
No, him, you mean?
Yeah?
Him.
They say hair is brain, but for him, for him, what do they say? That
The
says
scope of thinking, you know.
you know the
It's
scope.
limited.
Nowadays we should release scopes.
Thinking is limited.
You need to get massage in that scope. Anyway, guys, stay safe. We'll see you again next time. Peace.